I was hauling ass. At least it felt like it. I passed 2 people. I only got past 1. That did it. But I kept up.
You totally slowed your pace on that yellow flag. I took advantage of it.
Do what? I didn't hear you.
You totally slowed your pace on that yellow flag when it came out.
Yeah.
I took advantage.
I blipped it. I was like, what? Oh, it's yellow. Damn it. Get on these. Wow. Fuck. Alright. Don't make me feel better. How was I doing?
No, you look good.
I ran down both the girls. I want to see what I hit in the straightaway. I got one straightaway where I have to get on it, and then a coach came up. Fuck. But it felt good, and honestly, that was my fastest run today.
Good deal, man. Right on.
Ah, I did a left turn. Yes.
Wow.
But not like the right. My God.
Oh man, another session like that though, that'll look identical on either side.
That
Good stuff, man.
like that felt so good. It just clicked. That was it, man.
That was fun. We got one more, so.
I chased you into the after you passed me. That I turned 4 and 5. Right hand past the tower. It's downhill, real tight. You have to really go on the brakes.
Yeah.
I chased you, and I was like, "He's going, I'm going." Fuck, I'm scared. He's going, I'm going. Ah! And I just did it. And I was like, "Oh shit! I actually used the whole track."
Yeah. And it did it. It probably didn't even have any wobbles, did it?
No.
Yeah, just sticks.
But it just looks like I'm going to go right off the edge. I'm cranked. That was a good run. The one coach gave me the thumbs up.